player. Today, me and my brother are going to unbox this wacky robot Gold AERO TRAX plane, AERO TRAX. Let's unbox it.
Yeah, let's unbox.
Whoa! So they're not together. It's a 2-pack set. Whoa!
I'm gonna get this.
So I'm gonna build this, okay?
I'm going to build this.
So we're gonna see who builds faster. Now we have to open this box.
It's not a race.
Actually, no. I have to open.
I'm unboxing mine. He is unboxing his. Let's see what we are gonna make. Please watch this video until the end. Just like and subscribe.
This is the small, okay?
This is mine.
This is yours, so put everything over here.
Now let's see
One
the
by one,
instructions.
Yes, everything one by one.
Wow, I got everything.
So this is for this guy.
Can you read, please?
Okay, first.
Wow, I got
This is
some
difficult.
things that are
Everything was hard when I didn't look at paper, so I looked at the instructions and it got easier. So at the end of the video, you're going to see what and my brother's monster toy came out and what my plane came out after the video whenever it's like almost end. As you can see, my dad is helping my brother because he is having a very hard time with fixing it by himself. I'm still working on the plane. It's a lot of hard work, but it's very nice. Soon it will be ready. Right now I'm putting the tires. It wasn't that hard, but at the end you'll really see how it looks with the tires. Here's my plane, ready to go, flying in the airs. A real cool plane. My brother couldn't finish it, so after that I was fixing it, and you'll see how it looked after the video ends. Watch until the end to see what they both look like. Leave a like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. Here's my final work, and here's my other final work from my brother. So this is the Wacky robot, Robot V Gold. And here is the plane, AERO TRAX plane, and in French, Avion AERO TRAX, and Robot V Gold, French. Let's see what they do. Wow! And let's see what my plane does. Oh, there. So here are both of the work that I did for my brother and me. This is mine, and this is my brother's. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next building video.